The icomm service from A.O. Smith represents the latest technology in water heater monitoring and system management. With icomm, you can proactively manage and monitor your water heaters or boilers from anywhere in the world via the internet. Let's take a quick look at what icomm can do for you as we highlight some of the key features found within the icomm subscriber website. Your icomm subscription allows you to log in virtually anywhere internet access is available. After logging in with your secure username and password, you'll find a listing of all water heaters and boilers you have under your subscription. If you have multiple locations, they can easily be sorted and identified in a tree format as well as a summary status dashboard. Now let's take a look at the Manor Healthcare Assisted Living job site. Clicking on the job site name expands the tree to show what model water heaters are located here, as well as an icon showing the current status. This site shows two BTH 400s, and the green icon with a check mark indicates the units are operating properly and icomm is communicating normally. A gray icon indicates lost communication. A yellow icon indicates an alert condition with the units, while a red one indicates a fault condition exists. Should any abnormal condition exist, an email or text message would be immediately sent to the individuals identified at registration. Imagine how valuable a heads-up message can be in reducing downtime and gaining a better understanding of what the system is seeing prior to dispatching someone for service. Now let's take a look at the detailed information available under each specific water heater. Clicking on the specific unit brings up the dashboard control screen. Here you can see the current status of the water heater, as clearly as you would see it standing in front of the unit at the job site. This screen gives you an overview of temperature settings and the current tank temperature. It also shows the current status of the unit and when the status was last updated. In the default setting, icomm sends status updates every 30 minutes. This time period can be adjusted to shorter intervals if desired. In the event of a fault condition, the system sends out an immediate alert. Clicking on the details link takes you to a screen that features 8 different tabs containing valuable information about this particular unit. The temperature tab shows the current operating set point as well as more detailed information on differential settings and upper-lower probe temperatures. Customers with multiple locations can benefit by ensuring the tank temperature is set where you want it and has not been changed at the job site. The Heater Status tab gives you 14 different current condition updates, including info on pressure switches and other key operating components. The Heater Information tab contains valuable runtime information, including the unit's total operating time, the burner on time, and cycle count. With this information, you can see just how much your water heater is working. The burner on time and cycle count can also provide useful information needed for planned replacements and preventive maintenance. Just like an odometer in a car, this runtime information is much more useful than simple knowledge of a unit's installation date. At the Fault Occurrence tab, we can get a quick overview of any fault codes that have existed since the heater was placed in operation. The next tab shows any faults that occurred within the last 30 days. This detail can be helpful in identifying application issues that may be causing recurring faults. The Graphs tab contains some of the most useful data available within icomm. A pull-down menu gives you options to graph 4 different sets of information. Selecting temperature and then a 7-day period on the calendar results in a graph showing outlet temperatures for those exact days. This can be as short as a 1-day view or as long as a 90-day one. This is an excellent way to show if your water heater is sized properly and is able to maintain the desired temperature. The next graph option focuses on runtime per hour over a 7-day period. Again, we can adjust the time period on the calendar as desired. Here we see how many minutes per each hour of the day the burner actually operated. This gives an excellent view of when your peak operating times occur. It can also be used to target savings opportunities by adjusting usage habits during specific times of the day. In addition to runtime per hour, we can show total runtime per day. This can prove valuable in understanding if your water heater is sized properly, and in the case of multiple units, it can be a tool to compare usage between different locations. The estimated savings option keeps a running count of the dollars you saved with this high-efficiency model compared to a standard efficiency model. This cost savings calculator not only shows the estimated savings of this individual unit, but it also compiles the total savings of all the units that may exist within your login. At the Setup tab, you can customize different parameters of notification. For example, you can specify when you would like to be notified regarding performance milestones of a unit, or you can customize the alarm that will send you an email and/or text message when the outlet water temperature drops below a previously specified point. In addition, this tab allows frequent users to add, change, or delete contact addresses for notifications. As you can see, icomm is a low-cost service that brings new technology and peace of mind to commercial water heating. Whether you manage just one water heater or a multi-location national chain, icomm can be a beneficial and money-saving tool for you. To get started and to get more information, please call us at 1-888-WATER-02.